In today's video, we are going to show you how to withdraw money from your expert option account directly to your bank account. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the dashboard, I want you to hover in the left side area and click Finances. And then you need to click the Withdrawal. Once you select the withdrawal section, Expert Option will display the available withdrawal methods connected to your account. So we have so many banks here. Keep in mind that in many cases, Expert Option requires withdrawals to be processed through the same payment method used for your original deposit whenever possible. If bank withdrawal is available for your account, you'll be able to proceed to the next step. Now, enter the amount you'd like to withdraw. Before continuing, take a moment to review the minimum withdrawal requirements if there is any, available account balance, any withdrawal fees that may apply, estimated processing times, and make sure the amount entered is accurate before moving forward. And then all I have to do now is click the new request. And what will happen is, once submitted, your withdrawal request will show a status such as pending or processing. Withdrawal processing times can vary depending on the account verification status, bank processing schedules, country and banking regulations, payment provider requirements, and you can usually monitor the withdrawal status from your transaction history or finance section. Basically, that's it for today's video on how to withdraw funds from Expert Option directly to your bank account. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.